Hi guys, welcome back to Emerge Kenya TV. We really appreciate you for joining us. If you are a returning subscriber or viewer, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our content. If you're new here or you've never subscribed, please consider doing so and please set the notification bell on. That way you'll be first to be notified when we upload a new video. Thank you so much. So guys, today we are in Nairobi, Kenya, and we're gonna be showing you the Nairobi Viaduct Road construction project. Please join us in the tour and watch till the end as we show you the latest updates on this project. So our journey today will start at the intersection of Uhuru Highway and Kenyatta Avenue, just next to the Nairobi Expressway project. This Nairobi Viaduct Road will run from Nairobi CBD or Downtown Nairobi through Nairobi Upperhill to Ngong Road. The Nairobi Viaduct Road construction project is under the management of Kenya Urban Roads Authority, also known as KURA, and is meant to decongest roads in Nairobi and ease traffic. Please remember to like this video, to share it with your friends and family, and also leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think about this viaduct road. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. We would really appreciate that. This project was started in 2021 and is projected to be complete in 2023 at a cost of 2.9 billion Kenyan shillings or 25.4 million US dollars. The Nairobi Viaduct Road is fully funded by the government of Kenya and is being constructed by the China Road and Bridge Corporation. This project has been moving really slow since they had to move a lot of utility pipes, drainages, and sewer lines. But now with that done and the construction of Nairobi Expressway project almost coming to an end, the project has now picked up the pace. In recent years, a lot of companies have been moving their offices to Upperhill, Nairobi, causing the feeder roads to experience a lot of congestion. And we think that the expansion of Ngong Road and construction of Nairobi Viaduct Road will help reduce this traffic congestion. I know some of you have already asked, what's a viaduct? A viaduct is a series of bridges connected to each other. A viaduct is a bridge, and not all bridges are viaducts, but all viaducts are bridges. Does that make any sense? And now, since you know what a viaduct is, an overpass or viaduct will be constructed on Nyerere Road and Kenyatta Avenue that will connect with another overpass from Upperhill that will start on Ngong Road and Haile Selassie Avenue. As you guys can see, the pillars of the viaduct road have been put in place at this section, and they are putting up some more really fast. We would like to hear from you what you think about this Nairobi Viaduct Road project. And also, if you have some questions on this viaduct road, we would be happy to answer them if we can. Please write them down at the comment section and we would respond to them. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you. Please remember to like, to share, and also to leave us a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please wait no longer. Just hit that red subscription banner and welcome to the family. And until next time, as we bring you more content, please remember to be kind and generous to the people around you. Have a good day and cheers.